Hey there, fellow Minecrafters. Welcome back to our channel. Tonight, we're delving into the art of survival in the vast world of Minecraft. As the sun sets and darkness creeps in, the challenges mount, but fear not. We've got all the tips and tricks you need to conquer the night and emerge victorious.
Segment 1, The Shelter of Survival. The first rule of survival in Minecraft? Build a rock-solid shelter. Join me as we dive into the nitty-gritty of shelter construction, from basic hideouts to elaborate fortresses. Learn how to fortify your sanctuary against the relentless mobs and weather the night in utmost comfort and safety.
Segment 2, Gathering the Essentials. Surviving the night requires more than just a shelter. You'll need a stockpile of essentials. Tune in as we uncover the secrets of efficient resource gathering. From hunting for food to mining crucial materials, we'll show you how to amass a treasure trove that will see you through the darkest nights.
Segment 3, Crafting your path to victory. In Minecraft, crafting is the key to unlocking your potential. Watch closely as we unravel the intricacies of crafting tools, weapons, and armor. From wooden swords to diamond shields, we'll guide you through the steps to craft the arsenal you need to emerge victorious when the night falls.
Segment 4, Embracing the Night's Rest. The sweet escape of slumber. Learn the art of crafting the perfect bed and harness the power of peaceful sleep. Discover how a well-crafted bed can whisk you through the darkness and usher in a brand new day of adventures and discoveries.
Segment 5, Illuminating the Path to Safety. Darkness is the enemy of safety in Minecraft. Fear not, for light is your greatest ally. Join us as we shed light on the importance of torch placement and illumination techniques. Master the art of keeping the hostile mobs at bay and ensuring your shelter remains a secure haven throughout the night.
Segment 6, Evading and Defending Against the Terrors. When all else fails, it's up to your wits and weapons to defend yourself. Watch closely as we delve into the art of evading and combating the ferocious mobs that roam the night. Arm yourself with the knowledge and skills you need to outsmart the creatures that seek to do you harm.
Conquering the night, mastering the game, congratulations! You've now mastered the art of surviving the night in Minecraft. With a fortified shelter, an abundance of resources, a cozy bed, well-lit surroundings, and the prowess to outsmart any lurking threat, you're ready to conquer the blocky wonders of this pixelated realm. Until next time, happy crafting and keep on surviving.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting Minecraft adventures. And for those looking to take their Minecraft journey to the next level, check out the Moonpreneur Minecraft Coding Course. Dive into the world of coding while having a blast in the Minecraft universe. Sign up now and unlock a new realm of possibilities.